Good medical morning, ASMR and chiropractic fans. Today we're going to show off some amazing back-cracking moments. This is Watson, and I'm going to be silent from here on out so you can listen to the fun back pops, along with some other limbs and toes.
Gentle. Good, lay on your back. Good, nice and gentle. Good, lay on your back. Oh.
And then relax here.
Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
Wow. Gosh, that was loud. There we go.
Ankles.
And you might feel or hear that cracker pop along the low back. Good.
And that's the adjustment, and then it's the.
Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this popping extravaganza. Subscribe only if you want new medical videos every week. See you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.